Hello guys, from this video you will learn how to take user input in C# and how to print output like this. Enter your name John and then you press enter. You can see hello John. So let us move to the nodes. Here you can see there are two type of methods, like one is system.console.writeLine and another one is system.console.write. So if you want to print a few strings or a sentence in a single line, then you can use this console.write hello and console.write John. Then you can see these two different outputs will show on a single line, and if you want to show outputs in multiple line, then you can use console.writeLine. So here you can see a complete example, that is concatenating two strings using plus operator and printing them. You can see int val equal 55, then console.writeLine value equal plus 55 value, so the output will be 55. And there is one more alternate way, that is console.writeLine value equal second bracket and 0 comma value. So this is called formatted string, so we can also print like that. Now let us move to the most interesting part and most important part, is C# input. So how do we take input from users? Here you can see there are three type of methods, like read line, read and read key. And what are the differences? That is, read line is to take the next line of input, and read is to take the next character or a key press, and the read key is reads the next key pressed by the user, that is basically used to hold the screen until a user presses a key. I will show you a complete example by coding. So now most one important thing is how to read numeric values. So you have to remember that in C# readline reads string values, so we need to convert the string to our desired. Let me show you an example. Here you can see a proper example of how to take input and how to show output. So I will provide it in the description, so check the description and click on the link, so you will get that. And there is the coder will comment it, so you will understand very easily. And you can see the output console here like this. You will give input and it will show you press any key to continue, so just press anything like L. You pressed L, and to exit like press 5. So press enter to close the program, just hit enter. You can see the program is finished. So thank you for watching this video, and follow me for more videos on C#.